guys, Shraddha here. So let's talk about another topic of marketing, that is positioning strategy. So whenever positioning term is there, you should remember these five strategies. And if your answer has been asked for 5 or 10 marks, so you can easily write the definition positioning with one example, and finally you can use these five strategies. Under, over, repositioning, doubtful, confused. These are the five positioning. So it is totally related to the product positioning. So let's talk about these positioning one by one in a very simple language. So I read a lot of books, I researched a lot, and then based on whatever the best answer was, I have noted it down. So I will be sharing with you. You can also note it down, and when you will be writing these answers on your paper, so you can extend it a bit, like based on your understanding, whatever I have told, whatever I have taught you. So you can, based on that understanding, you can easily stretch that answer for 5 to 10 marks. So let's talk about these. So first will be over positioning. Over positioning will be marketers make the product so special that now they are losing potential customers. Like, they have decided one special niche, and under that niche again they have used some age factor. Say if I am targeting, if I say, oh, if I say foundation, and in that foundation also I'm using foundation for aged skin, like whoever has aging problems. So for that, so I'm shrinking that customers like area. What I'm doing, I am lacking, or I am not at all targeting big audience. So it would be under, if it would be over positioning. That is, I am doing like I am making lot of, I am making my market so special that it is targeting only a few potential customers. So next will be under. Under means fail to present a special, or say a strong benefit that people can believe. Do you remember in our childhood times, like we used to buy some tea leaves, say Tata, and we used to just got a chance to visit, to meet this person. You can win a car, just can you can rub that voucher and you can win a car. And we have never won such any car. So yeah, that would be what, under positioning. So they are making, they are showing something that they fail to share, or they fail to tell a strong benefit that people can believe in. Next would be confused. In this, some companies are giving two or more than two benefits that people are confused, that what are they actually providing. So they are not at all clear about the benefits. Marketers are not clear about the benefits. So it would be confused positioning. Then next will be doubtful positioning. It means like benefit, okay, claim, or this customer जैसे, okay. Do you remember, like, when it comes to doubtful, so we get one, like, win 2.5 lakh cash, or some marketers or some products have that much price that we can't like believe that they will be claiming, or if I claim that price, so I will be getting it. So it's like they are doing too much. They are straightly saying yes, they are fake, or we don't believe in these kinds of say offers. And then next will be repositioning. Repositioning, you should, like, as according to this word, repositioning means doing positioning, like positioning your product once again. So it would be, your product will be same, market will, maybe you have modified something in your product, maybe you have modified the market, you haven't modified the complete, you haven't changed the complete process, you are not coming up with new product, but whatever the previous product was, you have changed a bit, or say you have modified your product, you have modified your market, you have modified your targeted audience. So based on this, it will be there. So yeah, these are the five types of say positioning, five strategies of, you can use these strategies in your exam. So yeah, that's it for today. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share. And if you want me to come up with any topic, just let me know. I will be covering your topic too. So yeah, stay tuned. We'll be coming soon with my next video that will be covering marketing topic. And if you want me to come up with any Quora topic or writing particular topic, so just let me know. I can share, or I will be making one video on that too. So yeah, we'll be meeting soon. Bye.